Welcome to our channel. We are so glad you found your way here. Let us help you fall asleep. Let's begin with mimicry, the artistic masterpieces of natural selection. Take a slow, deep breath in and release it. Let the weight of the day fade away as we embark on an unhurried, atmospheric journey through the wonders of the cosmos. Your mind is quiet, the universe is vast, and we are ready to explore. This phenomenon, known as mimicry, manifests in various forms across the biosphere, demonstrating how organisms adapt to their environments through intricate imitations. The process unfolds within a framework of natural selection, where those that can effectively emulate their surroundings gain advantages for survival. Various species exhibit this phenomenon, from insects that resemble leaves or twigs, to animals that adopt the colors and patterns of more dangerous creatures. In this context, mimicry serves dual roles. It offers protection from predators while simultaneously enhancing reproductive success through increased mating opportunities. The evolution of these traits exemplifies the delicate balance between predator and prey, creating a dynamic interplay where adaptation is essential for survival. This region of study reveals not only the complexity of biological interactions, but also the remarkable ingenuity of nature. Notable examples include the viceroy butterfly, which closely resembles the toxic monarch, deterring potential predators through visual deception. This relationship illustrates how the mimic employs a strategy to navigate threats. Other organisms, such as certain orchids, attract specific pollinators by mimicking the appearance and scent of female insects, ensuring successful reproduction. The intricate nature of mimicry encapsulates the profound connections within ecosystems, highlighting the perpetual dance of adaptation and survival in the face of environmental pressures. Understanding these mechanisms sheds light on the fundamental principles of evolution and biodiversity. Mimicry encompasses various forms of resemblance, where one organism imitates another, serving as a survival strategy in the natural world. These classifications typically include several distinct types, each defined by its unique characteristics and evolutionary implications. Bayesian mimicry involves a harmless species adopting the appearance of a harmful one, thus gaining protection from potential predators. This deceptive resemblance can significantly enhance the survival chances of the mimicking organism, as it deters predation through a mere illusion. In contrast, Mullerian mimicry features two or more unpalatable species resembling each other, which reinforces the avoidance behavior in predators. This mutual resemblance provides a collective advantage, allowing these species to thrive in their respective environments. Aggressive mimicry presents a different strategy, where a predator or parasite mimics a harmless or beneficial organism to deceive its prey or host. This tactic is particularly effective in luring unsuspecting victims, showcasing the intricate web of interactions within ecosystems. Additionally, automimicry occurs when an organism mimics a part of its own body to enhance its survival. Such adaptations can include false eyes or other features that distract or confuse predators. Each classification reveals the profound intricacies of evolutionary mechanisms, emphasizing the dynamic interplay of adaptation and survival across diverse habitats. Mimicry serves as a striking illustration of evolutionary processes, demonstrating how species evolve to resemble one another for survival advantages. This phenomenon often occurs in environments where visual cues play a significant role in the interactions between predators and prey. Organisms that successfully mimic the appearance or behavior of other species can gain protection from predation increasing their chances of survival and reproduction. The mechanisms driving this evolutionary strategy involve both genetic variation and environmental pressures. In many cases, individuals with traits that enhance mimicry are more likely to thrive, passing these advantageous traits to their offspring. Over generations, this selective pressure fine-tunes the mimicry, enabling it to become more precise. This process can lead to various forms of mimicry, such as Bayesian mimicry, where a harmless organism imitates the appearance of a harmful one, and Mullerian mimicry, involving two unpalatable species reinforcing each other's warning signals. Notably, the success of mimicry relies on the perceptual capabilities of the observing species. Changes in predator behavior or environmental factors can influence the effectiveness of these adaptations. The continuous cycle of adaptation highlights the fluidity of ecological relationships, where survival often hinges on the subtle nuances of appearance and behavior, creating a landscape defined by constant change and intricate interdependence. Among the various manifestations of mimicry, several distinct types emerge, each reflecting a unique evolutionary strategy. Bayesian mimicry serves as a prominent example in which a harmless organism imitates the warning signals of a harmful one. This deceptive resemblance provides a crucial survival advantage, allowing the mimic to evade predators that associate bright coloration with toxicity. In contrast, Mullerian mimicry involves two or more unpalatable species that evolve to resemble one another. This mutual reinforcement strengthens the avoidance behavior of predators, enhancing the survival of all involved. The convergence of appearance among these species illustrates the power of shared evolutionary pressures. Aggressive mimicry presents another fascinating dimension. Predators or parasites adopt the appearance of a harmless or desirable species to lure their unsuspecting prey. This strategy often results in an efficient predation technique, as the mimic exploits the trust established by its resemblance. Automimicry, or intraspecific mimicry, occurs within a single species, where certain individuals may evolve traits that mimic other members. This can manifest in strategies related to reproduction or defense, illustrating the complexity of social interactions. Each type of mimicry reveals the intricate mechanisms underpinning natural selection, shedding light on the delicate balance of life. These specialized adaptations serve as a testament to the remarkable ingenuity of evolution, showcasing nature's ability to craft diverse survival strategies. Bayesian mimicry exemplifies a fascinating survival strategy, where a harmless species evolves to imitate the warning signals of a harmful one. This form of deception allows the mimic to avoid predation, benefiting from the learned avoidance behavior of potential predators. The mimic's appearance can evoke a strong reaction, exploiting the predator's past experiences and conditioning to recognize threats. Of this ecological scenario, the authentic model typically possesses toxic or unpalatable qualities, serving as a deterrent for those who have encountered it. The mimic, devoid of such defenses, relies solely on visual resemblance. The success of this strategy hinges on the density of the model in the environment. A higher abundance increases the likelihood of survival for the mimic. As examples abound in various habitats, certain butterflies exhibit wing patterns identical to those of toxic relatives, effectively reducing the chances of being consumed. This phenomenon extends into the aquatic realm, where some fish adopt the coloration of toxic species, thus navigating their ecosystems with a deceptive elegance. The intricate balance maintained through Bayesian mimicry illustrates the dynamic interplay between predator and prey. Nature continually refines these adaptations, underscoring the constant evolutionary arms race that shapes life in its many forms. The quiet yet compelling narrative of mimicry unfolds, revealing the depth of interspecies relationships and survival tactics. Mullerian mimicry exemplifies a fascinating form of mutualism, where two or more unpalatable species converge on similar warning colors. This cooperative strategy enhances the survival of each species by reinforcing the avoidance behavior in potential predators. The striking color patterns emerge as vivid signals, communicating toxicity or unpalatability to the surrounding ecosystem. In this region, various insects, reptiles, and amphibians adopt these bold hues to convey a shared message of danger. Predators, upon encountering one such organism, learn to associate the brilliant colors with an unpleasant experience, subsequently avoiding not only that individual, but also others displaying similar traits. This reinforces the effectiveness of their warning coloration, effectively reducing predation risk for all involved. The effectiveness of Mullerian mimicry lies in its shared costs and benefits. As these species evolve in tandem, the frequency of encounters with predators decreases, allowing them to thrive within the same habitats. This relationship fosters a unique ecological balance, where trust in visual signaling becomes paramount. Observations of these interactions reveal the intricate dynamics at play. The colors may vary, yet their commonality serves as a powerful deterrent. In a world teeming with diversity, these organisms illustrate the elegance of evolution, showcasing how cooperation can emerge from the relentless pressures of natural selection. Predators often exhibit remarkable adaptations, allowing them to blend seamlessly into their environments, thereby outsmarting their unsuspecting prey. This phenomenon, known as aggressive mimicry, enables certain species to masquerade as harmless entities or even enticing prey. The strategy involves the use of deceptive coloration, shapes, or behaviors that lure others into a false sense of security. In marine ecosystems, for example, the mimic octopus employs a range of tactics to imitate more dangerous or unpalatable species. By altering its skin texture and color, it can evoke the appearance of venomous creatures, deterring potential threats while simultaneously approaching its next meal. It is a calculated deception, revealing the intricate interplay between predator and prey. In terrestrial habitats, certain insects, such as the bolus spider, utilize pheromones to mimic the scent of female moths. Male moths, drawn to the alluring fragrance, find themselves ensnared in sticky silk threads, illustrating the effectiveness of this predatory strategy. These interactions highlight the complexities of ecological relationships, where survival hinges on the ability to deceive. Such instances of aggressive mimicry underscore the relentless arms race within ecosystems. The balance of life hinges upon these cunning adaptations, where the line between life and death is often blurred by the intricate dance of imitation and reality in the natural world. Alter-mimicry reveals a fascinating layer of complexity within the realm of self-mimicry, where organisms adopt traits or behaviors that mirror their own anatomy. This phenomenon provides distinct adaptive advantages, enhancing survival in multifaceted environments. Certain species utilize this strategy to mislead predators or competitors by creating deceptive appearances that divert attention from vulnerable aspects of their biology. In this region, some reptiles exhibit remarkable variations of coloration and texture across their bodies. These adaptations serve to confuse potential threats, allowing them to escape detection. The ability to blend seamlessly with surrounding elements is not merely a passive defense. It actively influences predator behavior, fostering an environment where survival becomes more attainable. Insects such as the leaf-tailed gecko exemplify this strategy through their remarkable ability to mimic foliage. This self-mimicry not only conceals them from predators, but also enhances their predatory efficiency, allowing them to ambush unsuspecting prey with precision. The integration of mimicry into their survival tactics illustrates the dynamic interplay between form and function. Furthermore, these adaptations extend beyond mere evasion. In some cases, self-mimicry aids in reproductive success, with certain species developing features that attract mates by imitating aspects of preferred partners. The multifaceted advantages of automimicry underscore the nuanced strategies organisms employ in their relentless pursuit of survival amid an ever-changing landscape. Insects represent one of the most diverse examples of mimicry within the animal kingdom. The vast array of forms and behaviors exhibited reveals the intricate adaptations that have evolved over time. Certain species have developed physical characteristics that closely resemble their surroundings, a strategy known as crypsis. This method enhances their chances of evading predators while simultaneously allowing them to ambush unsuspecting prey. Within this realm, the phenomenon of Bayesian mimicry emerges, where harmless species adopt the appearances of toxic or unpalatable counterparts. This mimicry provides an effective form of protection, as predators often avoid these mimickers after an unpleasant encounter with the actual venomous species. The striking resemblance can extend to coloration, patterns, and even behaviors, creating a complex interplay between predator and prey. Mullerian mimicry adds another dimension, where two or more unpalatable species evolve to resemble each other, reinforcing avoidance behaviors in potential predators. This mutual benefit fosters a unique balance within ecosystems, allowing these insects to thrive amidst the challenges posed by environmental pressures. Insects such as the leaf-tailed gecko or the orchid mantis exhibit extraordinary examples of mimicry that blur the lines between organism and environment. These adaptations reflect not only the creativity of evolution but also the delicate interdependence of life forms in their quest for survival. Chemical mimicry plays a crucial role in insect behavior, influencing interactions within ecosystems. This phenomenon occurs when one species produces chemical signals that resemble those of another, often to gain an advantage in survival or reproduction. Various insects, such as certain ants and wasps, utilize these chemical cues to deceive rivals or attract mates. The effectiveness of such mimicry lies in its subtlety. The mimicking species often produces compounds that closely resemble those of the target species, thereby creating confusion. In this intricate web of deception, the mimicker may gain access to resources, evade predation, or enhance reproductive success. For instance, some parasitic wasps emit chemicals that mimic the pheromones of their hosts, ensuring their eggs are laid within the unsuspecting hosts. This strategy maximizes the survival of their offspring, while simultaneously exploiting the host's resources. The chemical landscape formed by these interactions is complex, with many species adapting to counteract mimicry. Predators may develop an ability to discern between genuine and mimicry signals, forcing the mimicking species to evolve further. This evolutionary arms race highlights the dynamic nature of ecological relationships, where the stakes are high and the outcomes uncertain. Each adaptation and counter-adaptation contributes to the rich narrative of life, illustrating the ongoing struggle for existence in this diverse domain. Visual mimicry serves as a poignant example of evolution's artistry, where color and pattern play crucial roles in how organisms are perceived within their environments. In the realm of camouflage, certain species have developed hues that blend seamlessly with their surroundings. This capability not only aids in evading predators, but also enhances their hunting strategies. For instance, the intricate markings of a leaf insect may render it indistinguishable from actual foliage, allowing it to remain undetected in plain sight. Conversely, some organisms employ bright coloration and distinct patterns to signal toxicity or unpalatability. The vivid shades of poison dart frogs warn potential threats of their chemical defenses, creating a visual language that communicates survival strategies. This dynamic interplay between mimicry and perception underscores the selective pressures that shape these characteristics. In many cases, visual mimicry extends beyond mere survival. Certain butterflies exhibit patterns that mimic the eyes of larger predators, deterring smaller threats. The effectiveness of such adaptations hinges on the perceptual capabilities of both prey and predator, highlighting the intricacies of visual processing in the animal kingdom. These phenomena illustrate that the evolution of color and pattern is not merely a biological occurrence. It is a complex, ongoing dialogue between species, influenced by the relentless forces of natural selection. Sound serves as an essential tool for communication among species, often evolving in ways that enhance survival and reproductive success. Acoustic mimicry exemplifies this adaptation, where certain organisms develop the ability to imitate the calls and sounds of other species. This practice can serve multiple functions, from attracting mates to evading predators. In dense forests, a plethora of sounds reverberates through the foliage, creating an intricate auditory landscape. Certain birds and insects have evolved to replicate the calls of their neighbors, allowing them to blend seamlessly into this environment. By mimicking the sounds of more dominant species, these creatures can gain access to resources or deter potential threats without revealing their true identity. The interplay of sound in these ecosystems highlights the significance of acoustic cues. It extends beyond mere imitation. It involves a sophisticated understanding of social dynamics within a community. Certain frogs mimic the mating calls of more appealing species, thereby increasing their own chances of reproduction. This phenomenon demonstrates an acute awareness of environmental interactions, where sound becomes an integral part of survival strategies. Such acoustic deception reflects the broader themes of adaptation and competition, revealing how finely tuned these organisms are to their surroundings. In every chirp and call, the echoes of evolution resonate, shaping identities in the intricate web of life. Flowers exhibit an extraordinary variety of colors and shapes, each designed to entice specific pollinators. Mimicry plays a crucial role in this process, where certain species develop traits that resemble those of more appealing flora. This adaptation ensures that they attract the attention of bees, butterflies, and other agents of pollination. The vibrant hues of petals often mimic the visual signals that pollinators find irresistible, guiding them towards the nectar hidden within. In this region, certain orchids have evolved to imitate the appearance and scent of female insects. These deceptive traits lead male pollinators to attempt mating, inadvertently transferring pollen in the process. This form of sexual mimicry enhances reproductive success while showcasing the intricate relationships between plants and their pollinators. Additionally, some plant species adopt strategies of mimicry through their physical structure. Leafy stems or flower patterns can resemble the favored food sources of visiting insects, further improving their chances of attracting the right pollinators. This specialized adaptation underscores the importance of visual cues in the interconnected web of life. Nice, unique adaptations demonstrate the delicate balance of evolution, where survival hinges on the ability to attract and engage specific species. This silent collaboration fosters a thriving ecosystem, illustrating the complexity and beauty inherent in the natural world. And the intricate relationships formed through mimicry extend into the realm of parasitism, where organisms exploit these dynamics for survival. Cuckoos exemplify this phenomenon, engaging in a strategy that relies on deception. They lay their eggs in the nests of other bird species, a practice known as brood parasitism. This behavior not only impacts the host species, but also showcases remarkable adaptations in cuckoo eggs and chicks. Eggs are often indistinguishable from those of the host, utilizing coloration and patterning that blend seamlessly into the nest's existing contents. This deceptive strategy ensures that unsuspecting hosts unknowingly nurture the cuckoo's offspring. Upon hatching, the cuckoo chick frequently displays aggressive behavior, instinctively pushing the host's eggs or chicks from the nest to eliminate competition for resources. Such adaptations highlight the relentless pressures of natural selection, shaping behaviors and physical traits over generations. The survival of the cuckoo is intricately linked to the reproductive success of its unsuspecting hosts, creating a delicate balance between host and parasite. This dynamic relationship emphasizes the complexities of ecological interactions, underscoring the often overlooked role of mimicry in sustaining these connections. The evolutionary arms race continues, with each species adapting to counter the strategies of the other, further enriching the intricate web of life. In the depths of the ocean, mimicry emerges as a critical survival strategy among various marine species. The vast expanse of water, coupled with fluctuating light conditions, creates an environment where effective camouflage can mean the difference between life and death. This region, characterized by its shifting shades of blue and green, serves as a backdrop for remarkable adaptations. Creatures such as the octopus and cuttlefish exhibit extraordinary abilities to alter their coloration and texture, allowing them to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. These adaptations are not merely for concealment, they also play a role in predation. Some species utilize mimicry to deceive potential prey, resembling inedible objects or even other dangerous marine organisms. This phenomenon can be observed in species like the lionfish, which displays venomous spines while maintaining a vibrant appearance that attracts smaller fish. The interaction between predator and prey within this intricate ecosystem highlights the dynamic nature of survival strategies. Other examples include the leafy sea dragon, adorned with appendages that mimic seaweed, effectively obscuring its presence from both predators and prey. This level of specialization showcases the remarkable evolutionary processes at play. Each organism's ability to blend into the marine environment illustrates the profound complexity of life beneath the waves, revealing the delicate balance of ecosystems formed over millennia. Environmental factors play a crucial role in the evolution of mimicry, influencing not only appearance but also behavior and survival strategies. Light conditions in specific habitats dictate the coloration and patterns of organisms, determining how effectively they can conceal themselves from predators. In shallow waters, for instance, the interplay between sunlight and substrate creates a unique visual landscape, prompting adaptations that enhance blending with the surrounding environment. Temperature variations also impact these adaptations, as they influence metabolic rates and behavioral patterns. In warmer waters, rapid growth and reproduction may lead to greater diversity in mimicry strategies, as organisms compete for limited resources. This dynamic fosters an evolutionary arms race, where both prey and predator continuously adapt to one another's advancements. Geographic features further shape the context of mimicry. Coral reefs, with their intricate structures, support an abundance of life forms, promoting a range of mimicry types that cater to the specific niches within these vibrant ecosystems. In contrast, open ocean environments may favor different strategies, such as transparency or countershading. Genetic variations underpin the remarkable phenomena of mimicry across various species. These variations serve as the foundation for distinct phenotypes that emerge in response to environmental pressures. A single gene or a complex network of genetic interactions can dictate the expression of specific traits, allowing organisms to adapt their appearance to resemble those of their surroundings or other species. In this context, the study of mimicry delves into the intricacies of evolutionary processes. Through natural selection, organisms exhibiting advantageous traits are more likely to survive and reproduce, passing on their genetic material to subsequent generations. This dynamic interplay can lead to rapid shifts in phenotype, observable over relatively short evolutionary timescales. Certain genes are known to be critical in the development of mimicry. For instance, genes responsible for pigmentation can determine the degree of resemblance to a model organism, influencing survival rates in predatory environments. Notably, these genetic pathways are often conserved across diverse taxa, highlighting a shared evolutionary history. As environmental conditions fluctuate, so too do the selective pressures acting upon these genetic traits. The impact of climate change introduces a new dynamic to mimicry strategies. Rising temperatures and shifting precipitation patterns alter habitats, forcing species to adapt rapidly or face extinction. This region becomes a laboratory for observing these adaptations as organisms modify their appearance and behavior in response to the changing landscape. A notable example lies in the coloration of certain butterflies. As temperatures increase, some species exhibit lighter hues, reflecting a need to manage thermal regulation. These adjustments enhance their survival, allowing them to evade predators more effectively. In contrast, other insects, such as stick insects, exhibit heightened camouflage against the backdrop of changing foliage. This ability to blend into their surroundings becomes essential in environments where vegetation is stressed or altered by drought conditions. The dynamic nature of these adaptations reveals the intricate relationship between climate and evolution. Mimicry not only aids in survival, but also serves as a testament to the resilience of life in the face of environmental shifts. In these instances, the evolutionary pressures exerted by a warming planet drive a fascinating arms race between species that rely on mimicry and those that hunt them. Observations indicate that the pace of these changes is accelerating, with some species adapting within mere generations. The ongoing interplay between climate change and mimicry strategies underscores the delicate balance of ecosystems in flux. Predation pressure significantly shapes the evolution of mimicry within various species. This dynamic influences survival rates, as those exhibiting effective mimicry gain advantages in avoiding detection by predators. In environments where predators rely heavily on visual cues, the ability to blend in with surroundings or resemble inedible species becomes essential. Such adaptations not only enhance individual survival, but also influence population dynamics over generations. In this region, for example, certain butterflies exhibit wing patterns that mimic local poisonous species. This resemblance deters potential predators who have learned to associate specific colors and patterns with unpleasant experiences. The success of these adaptations can lead to an increase in the prevalence of mimicking individuals within the population. illustrating a clear response to selective pressures. Within other ecosystems, the mimicry extends to auditory signals, where some insects have evolved sounds that imitate the calls of less palatable species. This auditory mimicry serves as an additional layer of protection, showcasing the complexity of evolutionary strategies in response to predation. These interactions serve as a reminder of the intricate web of life, where each species plays a role in shaping the attributes of others. The continued study of these relationships reveals deeper insights into the mechanisms of natural selection, highlighting the profound impact of predation on evolutionary paths. Mimicry extends beyond survival strategies into the realm of sexual selection, where it plays a crucial role in attracting mates. Certain species have evolved physical traits that resemble those of more attractive or dominant counterparts. This phenomenon is evident in various insect populations, where males may adopt coloration or patterns that mimic the appearance of females from different species. Such adaptations not only enhance their visibility to potential mates, but create an illusion of desirability. This region of study highlights the intricate dynamics of attraction. Sexual mimicry can create a competitive edge in environments saturated with potential suitors. Males that successfully imitate the traits of preferred females often enjoy increased mating opportunities. The deception involved is not merely superficial. It reflects a complex interplay of evolutionary pressures, where genuine traits are overshadowed by mimicry strategies. In addition to coloration, behaviors also play a significant role in this deceptive pursuit. Certain species exhibit courtship displays that mimic the movements or signals of other, more successful species. These behavioral adaptations can confuse both mates and rivals, leading to enhanced reproductive success. Food web dynamics reveal the intricate relationships within ecosystems, where mimicry serves as a vital mechanism for survival. Through various forms of mimicry, organisms adopt the appearance or behavior of other species, often gaining advantages in predation and resource acquisition. The presence of these imitations influences predator-prey interactions, altering the balance of populations. In this region, certain insects replicate the coloration of toxic or unpalatable species. Such mimicry provides them with protection against predators, who learn to avoid these deceptive facsimiles. As a result, not only do these mimics thrive, but the populations of their toxic counterparts also stabilize, demonstrating the interconnectedness of life forms within their habitat. The implications extend further into the food web. Predators that consume these mimics may inadvertently affect the dynamics of prey populations, leading to shifts in species abundance. This phenomenon can ripple through the ecosystem, affecting plant life and other organisms that rely on stable population levels for their survival. In aquatic environments, fish species exhibit similar mimicry strategies, often reflecting the patterns of more formidable predators. This adaptation allows them to evade detection while hunting or foraging. Such interactions highlight the complexity of ecological relationships, where the art of imitation plays a crucial role in maintaining the equilibrium of life processes across various habitats. Case studies in natural history reveal fascinating examples of mimicry that illustrate its evolutionary significance. The viceroy butterfly, for instance, closely resembles the toxic monarch butterfly. This resemblance affords it protection from predators, as the latter's distasteful nature is well known among potential threats. This specific mimicry not only safeguards the viceroy, but simultaneously reinforces the monarch's survival through decreased predation. In the realm of marine ecosystems, certain species of fish have developed the ability to mimic the appearance of more dangerous species. The mimic octopus demonstrates remarkable adaptability by imitating the shapes, colors, and behaviors of multiple venomous sea creatures, such as lionfish and flatfish. This versatility enables it to evade predators while navigating its environment. The world of plants also showcases mimicry, as seen in the orchid family. Some orchids produce flowers that imitate the appearance and scent of female bees. This attracts male bees, facilitating pollination. Such intricate relationships exemplify the interconnectedness of species and their reliance on one another for reproduction and survival. Engagement with these case studies underlines the nuances of natural selection, where the success of mimicry lies not just in imitation but in the evolutionary pressures that shape these interactions. These examples serve as a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life in the face of ecological challenges. Feather patterns in various bird species illustrate the intricate relationship between mimicry and survival. Some birds exhibit remarkable plumage that closely resembles their surroundings, enabling them to evade predators. This adaptation is not merely aesthetic, it serves a critical purpose in the harsh realities of their environment. The coloration and markings can render them nearly invisible among the foliage, reducing detection. Behavioral adaptations complement these visual strategies. Certain species, for instance, employ stillness, remaining motionless for extended periods to avoid drawing attention. This behavior, coupled with their camouflaged feathers, enhances their chances of survival. These traits have evolved over generations, influenced by selective pressures within their habitats. In other contexts, some birds mimic the calls or behaviors of other species, benefiting from the confusion they create. This auditory mimicry can deter potential threats or attract mates by showcasing versatility and intelligence. Such adaptive strategies highlight the dynamic interplay between physical traits and behavioral responses in the quest for survival. Observing these intricate systems reveals the underlying mechanisms of natural selection at work. The evolution of mimicry in birds is a reflection of the delicate balance within ecosystems, where each adaptation contributes to the ongoing narrative of life. These processes underscore the complexity of interactions that define avian existence amidst an ever-changing environment. The effectiveness of mimicry often hinges on the capacity for learning within various species. This ability allows organisms to adapt their imitative behaviors according to environmental cues and social interactions. In many cases, birds refine their mimicry through observation and experience, enhancing their survival strategies. Social learning becomes paramount as individuals observe the responses of predators and prey alike, adjusting their calls or appearances to resonate with the expectations of others in their ecosystem. Certain species exhibit impressive vocal mimicry, mastering the sounds of their environment, from the calls of other birds to the sounds of human activities. This acquired knowledge not only aids in deception, but also facilitates communication within their social structures. The nuances of these learned behaviors can significantly influence mating success, as potential partners may be attracted to those who exhibit more complex and varied vocalizations. The dynamic nature of learning fosters a continual evolution of mimicry techniques, further embedding these species within their ecological niches. This learning process is not static. It evolves with each generation, driven by the pressures of natural selection. Consequently, the interplay between mimicry and learning exemplifies a profound aspect of adaptive behavior, illustrating how interconnected survival strategies shape the intricate web of life within various habitats. In the amphibians, Satorshitla among frogs and toads, mimicry reveals a vibrant spectrum of survival strategies. Bright colors often serve as a warning, signaling toxicity to potential predators. This visual cue operates within a delicate balance where the striking appearance of an individual can indicate its unpalatable nature. In this region, the dart poison frog exemplifies this phenomenon, showcasing hues that range from electric blue to vivid yellow. These adaptations are not simply aesthetic, they are critical for deterring predators. Additionally, some species employ mimicry to blend into their surroundings, adopting colors and patterns that harmonize with the foliage or the earth. The leaf-litter toad, for instance, demonstrates this behavior, effectively disappearing from the sight of both prey and predator alike. Their muted tones and textures allow them to remain hidden, enhancing their chances of survival in a world filled with constant threats. The evolution of mimicry in these amphibians is further complicated by the presence of mimic species. Some harmless frogs mimic the appearance of toxic relatives, gaining protection from predation through deception. This complex interaction among species showcases the nuanced layers of natural selection, where survival often hinges on the ability to adapt visually within a multifaceted ecological framework. These relationships underscore the extraordinary capabilities of evolution, echoing throughout the ecosystems they inhabit. The foundations of mimicry research trace back to the early 19th century, when naturalists began to articulate the complexities of these biological phenomena. Pioneering studies focused on the striking resemblance some species bore to their environments or other organisms. The work of Henry Walter Bates highlighted the concept of Bartesian mimicry, where a harmless species adopts the appearance of a harmful one to evade predation. This insight revealed the nuanced interactions between species and their predators, showcasing survival strategies that evolved over time. Unceremoniously, the study of Müllerian mimicry emerged, where two or more unpalatable species evolved to resemble one another, reinforcing avoidance behaviors in their predators. This form of mimicry demonstrated the power of shared traits to enhance survival, leading to a profound understanding of mutualistic relationships in nature. The evolution of technology in the 20th century facilitated further exploration into the genetic and environmental factors driving mimicry. Advances in molecular biology allowed researchers to unravel the intricate genetic pathways that govern these adaptations. Observations in diverse habitats, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts, revealed the extensive range of mimicry strategies employed by organisms. Such discoveries illuminate the delicate balance of ecosystems, reflecting the ongoing conversation between species as they adapt and survive within their environment. Habitat diversity plays a critical role in the evolution of mimicry. Varied environments create a multitude of niches, allowing species to develop unique adaptations. In forests, for instance, the rich array of foliage and light patterns influences how mimicry manifests. The presence of diverse plant species leads to an intricate interplay where insects might evolve colors and shapes that blend seamlessly into their surroundings, providing not only camouflage but also opportunities for predation. Within aquatic ecosystems, the interplay of light and water creates a different landscape for mimicry. Organisms adapt to the shifting conditions of their habitat, evolving features that allow them to imitate other species or environmental elements. This ability to mimic can enhance survival, enabling prey to evade detection or predators to approach their targets unnoticed. Notably, urban environments present their own set of challenges and opportunities for mimicry. Species that adapt to city life often exhibit traits that allow them to thrive amidst human interference. Their mimicry can take on new forms, reflecting urban architecture or artificial structures, showcasing the resilience of life in diverse conditions. Each habitat, with its unique characteristics, fosters a distinctive environment for evolutionary experimentation. This ongoing process highlights the intricate relationships between species and their surroundings, shaping the dynamic landscape of life on Earth. Certain reptiles, including snakes and lizards, exhibit remarkable forms of mimicry that enhance their survival strategies. For example, the eastern coral snake displays bright-toed warning colors that signify its venomous nature. In contrast, the harmless milk snake has evolved to mimic this color pattern, allowing it to deter potential predators despite its lack of toxicity. This adaptation exemplifies how visual signals can influence predator-prey interactions in their habitats. Among lizards, the chameleon stands out for its ability to blend seamlessly with its environment. These reptiles possess specialized cells that enable them to change color based on factors such as mood and temperature. This camouflage serves dual purposes, evading detection from both predators and prey and facilitating communication during mating rituals. And an intriguing twist, some species of snakes adopt the appearance of more dangerous counterparts, not only through coloration but also through body posture. The gopher snake mimics the rattlesnake by adopting a coiled position and vibrating its tail, creating a deceptive impression of a rattlesnake's warning rattle. This behavior significantly reduces the likelihood of confrontation. Such mimicry demonstrates a finely tuned evolutionary response, where adaptations serve as both defense mechanisms and strategies for resource acquisition. The interaction between mimics and their models reveals a complex web of coevolution, where each entity influences the other's development over generations. In this intricate relationship, the model species often exhibit traits that are beneficial for survival, such as warning coloration or toxic defenses. Mimics capitalize on these characteristics, adopting similar appearances or behaviors to gain protection from predators. This phenomenon creates a feedback loop, as the success of mimics prompts models to evolve additional traits, further enhancing their own survival strategies. The dynamics of this relationship can be observed in various ecosystems. In tropical rainforests, for instance, the vibrant hues of poisonous frogs serve as models for their non-toxic counterparts. These non-toxic species adopt similar color patterns, benefiting from the predator's learned aversion to the original model. This adaptive strategy not only increases the chances of survival for the mimics, but also places selective pressure on the models to maintain their distinctive warning signals. Patterns of mimicry extend beyond visual traits. Acoustic mimicry, seen in certain birds, showcases the ability of some species to imitate the calls of others, often to deceive both predators and potential mates. This auditory mimicry further illustrates the nuanced interplay between mimic and model, revealing the deep connections that underpin the evolutionary narrative. The ongoing dance of adaptation continues to shape the biodiversity within these habitats. Visual perception serves as a critical component in the success of mimics, influencing interactions across various ecosystems. The ability to deceive through resemblance hinges on the perceptual capabilities of both potential prey and predators. In many instances, it is the fine details of coloration, shape, and movement that determine whether a mimic can evade detection or lure unsuspecting targets. These organisms often adopt the appearance of inedible species, effectively leveraging the visual cues that signify danger. The nuances of their mimicry are finely tuned to the visual systems of their observers. For example, some butterflies display patterns that are reminiscent of toxic species, while certain insects may take on the form of leaves or twigs, integrating seamlessly into the foliage of their surroundings. Such adaptations enable them to remain hidden from predators, significantly enhancing their chances of survival. In aquatic environments, coloration can shift dynamically, with organisms capable of altering their appearance to match the vibrancy of their surroundings. This phenomenon not only aids in camouflage but also plays a role in communication and mating rituals. Observations suggest that the effectiveness of mimicry is closely tied to the visual processing abilities of the species involved, highlighting the intricate relationship between perception and survival in the natural world. The delicate balance of this interaction contributes to the ongoing evolution of both mimics and their counterparts. Behavioral mimicry extends further than mere physical resemblance. Organisms within this region adopt specific actions and movements that mirror those of other species, enhancing their survival prospects. Such strategies often involve imitating the behaviors associated with safety or predation. For instance, certain insects may mimic the mating calls of others, drawing in potential mates or unsuspecting predators. The intricacies of these behaviors can be highly sophisticated. Predatory species may adopt traits that appear harmless, allowing them to approach prey under the guise of familiarity. This subtle manipulation of behavior can lead to successful hunts, as the hunted fail to recognize the imminent threat. Communication plays a crucial role in behavioral mimicry. Some birds engage in vocal mimicry, replicating the calls of other species to blend into their environments or deter intruders. By mastering these sounds, they gain advantages in territory defense and resource acquisition. In marine environments, certain cephalopods exhibit remarkable behavioral mimicry. By altering their movements and postures, they can emulate the behaviors of nearby sea creatures, confusing both predators and prey. This dynamic interplay of action enhances their capacity to thrive in the diverse ecosystems they inhabit. Such adaptations illustrate the complexity of survival strategies, showcasing the intricate relationships forged through the process of natural selection. The ability of certain species to mimic others serves as a fascinating aspect of ecological interactions. In this context, mimicry is not merely an imitation, but a sophisticated evolutionary strategy that elicits specific responses from predators or prey. This phenomenon often involves visual, auditory, or even chemical signals that trigger instinctive reactions, enabling mimics to thrive in their environments. Specific examples abound within various ecosystems. In tropical rainforests, certain butterflies adopt the coloration and patterns of toxic species, effectively deterring potential predators. This visual mimicry capitalizes on the learned experiences of predators, who associate particular colors with unpleasant tastes. The effectiveness of this tactic lies in the balance of risk and reward, as successful mimicry can lead to increased survival rates. In underwater habitats, the mimic octopus showcases a remarkable ability to imitate not only the appearance but also the behaviors of other marine creatures, such as lionfish and flatfish. Such versatility enhances its chances of evading threats while simultaneously positioning it as an effective predator. The ability to respond to environmental cues, coupled with the development of these mimicry strategies, illustrates the dynamic interplay among species. This constant evolution is a testament to the intricate web of life, where each organism plays a role in a larger ecological narrative shaped by both competition and cooperation. The interplay of evolutionary arms races reveals the remarkable strategies organisms employ to survive and thrive. Predators and prey engage in a continuous cycle of adaptation, leading to sophisticated mimicry that serves as a crucial defense mechanism. In this dynamic, it becomes evident that some species evolve to imitate the appearance or behaviors of others, often to elude detection or enhance their chances of survival. In this region, the viceroy butterfly mimics the toxic monarch butterfly. This resemblance confers an advantage, as predators avoid both species, assuming the viceroy shares the same harmful traits. Such mimicry illustrates not only the effectiveness of visual cues in nature, but also the selective pressures that drive these adaptations. Coloration, patterns, and even behaviors become pivotal in shaping survival outcomes. The interactions between mimics and their models create a selective environment where both parties influence each other's evolution. This phenomenon leads to an escalation of traits, as models may develop further defenses, while mimics refine their imitations. The delicate balance of this relationship underscores the complexity of natural selection, where success is contingent upon the ability to adapt in a world filled with relentless challenges. In essence, these evolutionary arms races not only shape individual species, but also contribute to the broader understanding of biodiversity and ecological interconnectedness. Such insights deepen appreciation for the subtle intricacies present in the natural world. Urbanization and habitat change introduce complexities into the dynamics of mimicry. These alterations can disrupt the delicate balance that species maintain within ecosystems. As natural environments are transformed into urban landscapes, the pressures on various organisms intensify. Many species that rely on mimicry to evade predators or attract mates find their survival strategies compromised. In these altered habitats, the presence of artificial structures and the introduction of non-native species further complicate interactions. Predators may become less reliant on visual cues, undermining the effectiveness of mimicry. For instance, insects that mimic the appearance of other species may face challenges in environments dominated by human activity. The shifting patterns of urbanization can lead to a decline in the populations of these mimicking species, as their traditional roles within ecosystems are disrupted. Additionally, the changing landscape influences the availability of resources vital for survival. As habitats are fragmented, many species must adapt to new realities, often leading to a decline in the diversity of mimicry patterns. This reduction can lessen the resilience of ecosystems, making them more susceptible to environmental shifts. Understanding these interactions reveals the profound impact of human presence on ecological networks. The study of mimicry continues to illustrate how interconnected life forms are, and how human activities shape the evolutionary pathways of countless species. Mimicry influences not only the survival of prey species, but also shapes the behavior and psychological strategies of their predators. In this dynamic, predators often develop heightened perceptual abilities, improving their capacity to discern between genuine and deceptive signals. The mere presence of mimicry can lead to a significant cognitive load, forcing these hunters to adapt their hunting techniques in response to the evolving strategies of their prey. This heightened awareness may result in caution, as predators learn to avoid particular prey that exhibit successful mimicry. They become more discerning, assessing not only the physical characteristics of their targets, but also the environmental cues that may indicate a potential threat. This adjustment can create a feedback loop, where the prey's mimicry evolves alongside the predator's increasing sophistication, fostering a continuous arms race. Anhayaf Anainai, fine as intricate, riso as a likamikant role. These interactions can affect ecosystem balance. The psychological pressure on predators can lead to shifts in their hunting patterns, influencing population dynamics among various species. The effects extend to broader ecological implications, where the success of certain mimics may disrupt the established food web, altering the roles various organisms play within their ecosystems. Through these intricate relationships, the impact of mimicry reverberates, reshaping not just individual species but the entire fabric of biodiversity. Ethical concerns emerge within the realm of mimicry research, particularly regarding conservation and biodiversity. Investigating these complex interactions raises questions about the potential disruption to delicate ecosystems. Scientific exploration often necessitates the collection of specimens, which can inadvertently lead to population declines in vulnerable species. The balance between acquiring knowledge and preserving biodiversity becomes a critical focus. This region, rich in unique organisms, faces threats from habitat loss and climate change. The introduction of mimicry studies must be approached with caution, ensuring that research does not exacerbate existing pressures on local fauna. Ethical guidelines are essential to minimize harm, advocating for methods that prioritize in situ observations over invasive techniques. Conservation efforts increasingly emphasize the interconnectedness of species and their environments. Mimicry plays a role in these dynamics, highlighting the necessity of protecting both mimics and their models. The loss of a single species can have cascading effects, undermining the stability of an entire ecosystem. Community involvement becomes vital, as local knowledge can guide researchers in sustainable practices. Their insights can inform strategies that respect both the scientific inquiry and the intrinsic value of biodiversity. This collaborative approach fosters a greater understanding of the ecological narratives woven through mimicry, ensuring that conservation efforts are both effective and ethically sound. Mimicry serves as a remarkable evolutionary strategy, shaping interactions within the animal kingdom. Insects, such as the stick insect and the leaf insect, exhibit a profound ability to blend into their surroundings. Their physical resemblance to twigs and leaves provides camouflage, deterring predators and enhancing survival rates. This region of adaptation extends beyond mere appearance, as behaviors may also mimic environmental cues, further complicating predator recognition. In the avian world, the mimicry of the lyrebird stands out. This species replicates an array of sounds from its environment, including other birds and even mechanical noises. Such auditory mimicry not only facilitates mating displays, but also confuses potential threats. The effectiveness of these adaptations demonstrates the intricate relationship between mimicry and survival. Reptiles, particularly certain species of snakes, utilize warning coloration as a deceptive tactic. The resemblance to venomous species can deter predators, allowing non-venomous individuals to thrive. This phenomenon highlights the dual nature of mimicry, where both appearance and behavior serve as critical survival mechanisms. In marine environments, some fish exhibit mimicry through color patterns and body shapes, imitating more dangerous species. This adaptive behavior underscores the dynamic interplay of mimicry across different habitats, revealing a complex web of evolutionary strategies that enhance resilience in the face of ecological challenges. Ecosystem stability is significantly influenced by mimicry, which fosters intricate relationships among various species. Through these adaptations, organisms can enhance their survival by avoiding predation or increasing reproductive success. In many instances, mimics can resemble more harmful or unpalatable species, effectively reducing the likelihood of being targeted by predators. This phenomenon not only benefits the mimics, but also contributes to the overall balance within their environments. In these settings, the presence of mimics can lead to a more resilient food web. By allowing certain species to thrive, mimicry can help maintain population diversity and prevent the dominance of any single species. This balance is vital for sustaining ecosystem health and functionality. Additionally, the interactions between mimics and their models can drive natural selection, further refining these adaptations over generations. The implications of mimicry extend beyond individual survival strategies, influencing community dynamics as species adapt and evolve in response to one another. The intricate connections formed can lead to enhanced stability across entire ecosystems. The subtle shifts in populations and their interactions serve as indicators of ecological integrity, reflecting the broader impacts of evolutionary processes. In this manner, mimicry emerges as a crucial component in the maintenance of biodiversity, ensuring the resilience of ecosystems amid changing environmental conditions. Mimicry plays a pivotal role in the field of evolutionary developmental biology, often revealing the intricate connections between genetic expression and phenotypic traits. This phenomenon occurs when certain species evolve to imitate the appearance or behavior of others, often as a survival strategy. It is within these interactions that the underlying genetic mechanisms become apparent, showcasing how developmental pathways can be modified to produce similar physical characteristics across diverse taxa. The evolutionary implications of mimicry extend beyond mere survival. They illustrate the plasticity of developmental processes, highlighting how small genetic changes can lead to significant alterations in form and function. Such transformations are often facilitated by regulatory genes that control the timing and location of development, enabling organisms to adapt to their specific environments. Insights gained from studying mimicry contribute to a broader understanding of evolutionary dynamics, shedding light on how natural selection shapes phenotypic diversity. This region of research emphasizes the importance of both genetic and environmental factors in shaping life forms. Observations reveal that mimicry is not merely a product of competition or predation. It is a complex interplay of selection pressures that drive innovation within biological systems. Understanding these mechanisms offers a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of life, revealing the elegance of adaptation in the natural world. Cultural implications of mimicry extend beyond the biological realm, influencing art, literature, and design. Many cultures have drawn inspiration from the natural world, incorporating elements of mimicry into their creative expressions. This connection illustrates a profound respect for the intricate strategies that organisms employ for survival. The observation of these adaptations often sparks curiosity and admiration, leading to artistic representations that echo the subtleties found in nature. In literature, mimicry serves as a metaphor for social behaviors and human interactions. It highlights themes of imitation and authenticity, revealing how individuals adapt their identities within various contexts. Characters may embody traits that mirror their surroundings, showcasing the complexity of social dynamics. These narratives often reflect broader cultural values, emphasizing the significance of adaptability in human existence. Philosophies also reflect this understanding. Architects and designers frequently mimic natural forms and processes, seeking harmonious integration with the environment. This approach not only fosters sustainable practices, but also enhances aesthetic appreciation, bridging the gap between humanity and the natural world. Mimicry's role in culture fosters a deeper connection to nature, prompting a re-evaluation of human behavior and societal structures. As these artistic expressions unfold, they invite reflection on the ongoing dialogue between life forms, encouraging a more profound understanding of both natural and human adaptations. Field studies serve as crucial components in unraveling the complexities of mimicry within ecosystems. These observations provide valuable insights into the interactions between species, showcasing the subtleties of adaptation. Researchers immerse themselves in diverse environments, documenting behaviors and patterns that reveal the intricate strategies organisms employ for survival. This direct engagement with nature enables a comprehensive understanding of the selective pressures at play in various habitats. Field studies highlight the role of visual and auditory signals in mimicry. The subtle nuances of coloration, shape, and even sound patterns can dictate the success of mimicry, influencing predator-prey dynamics. For instance, many insects adopt the appearance of toxic species to deter potential threats, a phenomenon that is intricately linked to their environmental context. Seasonal variations and ecological shifts also play pivotal roles in shaping these interactions. Changes in climate or habitat loss can disrupt established mimicry patterns, leading to cascading effects throughout the food web. This underscores the importance of continuous observation over time, allowing researchers to identify emerging trends and adapt conservation strategies accordingly. Through meticulous fieldwork, scientists document these behaviors and their implications, contributing to an ever-growing body of knowledge. These studies reinforce the delicate balance of ecosystems and the myriad ways life continues to evolve. Such understanding paves the way for future exploration, offering glimpses into the ever-changing narratives written by natural selection. Technological advancements have significantly enhanced the study of mimicry, revealing the intricate mechanisms behind this phenomenon. High-resolution imaging techniques allow scientists to capture the minute details of mimicry, providing insights into the morphological traits that facilitate survival. These tools elucidate how certain species develop physical characteristics resembling their surroundings or other organisms, often resulting in remarkable adaptations. Genomic sequencing plays a pivotal role in understanding the genetic underpinnings of mimicry. By analyzing the DNA of mimics and their models, researchers can identify the specific genes responsible for these adaptations. This knowledge allows for a deeper comprehension of evolutionary pathways and the selective pressures driving mimicry in various environments. Valley and Vartab Ali studies equipped with advanced tracking technologies enable researchers to monitor behaviors in real time. Sophisticated cameras and remote sensing devices document interactions between mimics and their predators or prey, revealing how these organisms utilize mimicry for defense or predation. Data collected through these methods contribute to a better grasp of ecological dynamics and the roles mimicry plays in sustaining biodiversity. Valiological modeling and simulations offer additional layers of understanding, enabling scientists to predict the outcomes of mimicry under varying environmental conditions. These innovative approaches combine to form a comprehensive framework for exploring the complexities of mimicry in nature, aiding in conservation efforts and enhancing appreciation for the delicate balance of ecosystems. Emerging trends in mimicry research indicate a growing interest in the genetic and molecular underpinnings of mimicry. Investigations into the specific genes responsible for phenotypic changes offer insight into how organisms adapt over time. This knowledge not only illuminates the mechanisms of natural selection, but also raises questions regarding the adaptability of species in rapidly changing environments. Such changes could affect the efficacy of mimicry as a survival strategy. Technological advancements, such as high-throughput sequencing and machine learning, are enhancing the ability to analyze vast amounts of ecological data. These tools allow researchers to identify patterns and correlations that were previously difficult to discern, revealing the intricate relationships between mimics and their models. The integration of these technologies holds promise for uncovering new dimensions of mimicry that remain obscured in traditional research methods. Ameidsa holds method du opnieuw, als de mistrali mane, als geerted, als befeinkel. These factors not only threaten species but also complicate the study of mimicry by altering ecological dynamics. The urgency for conservation efforts grows, as maintaining biodiversity is crucial for sustaining the evolutionary processes that underpin mimicry. Addressing these challenges will require interdisciplinary collaboration, merging insights from ecology, genetics, and climate science to foster a comprehensive understanding of this intricate phenomenon. The future of mimicry research hinges on the ability to adapt methodologies to a rapidly evolving natural world. The viceroy butterfly exemplifies the intricate mechanisms of mimicry within this delicate ecosystem. It bears a striking resemblance to the monarch butterfly, a species known for its unpalatability due to toxic compounds. This resemblance provides a compelling advantage. Avian predators often avoid the viceroy, mistaking it for the more distasteful monarch. The vivid orange and black patterns of its wings serve as both a shield and a deceitful disguise. The evolutionary pressures that shaped this mimicry are profound over generations. Individuals that closely resembled the monarch enjoyed higher survival rates. This natural selection process finely tuned the viceroy's physical characteristics, reinforcing its protective coloration. In the realm of ecological interactions, this mimicry showcases a remarkable survival strategy, illustrating the delicate balance of predator and prey. Observations reveal that viceroys inhabit a range of environments, from wetlands to woodlands, adapting to diverse floral resources for nourishment. Their behavior reflects an ability to thrive in fluctuating conditions, further enhancing their role within the ecosystem. The mimicry of the viceroy butterfly serves not only as a defensive mechanism, but also as a testament to the creativity of natural selection, demonstrating how life evolves in response to its surroundings. Each flutter of its wings tells a story of adaptation, survival, and the profound interconnectedness of life. Isolation plays a crucial role in the process of speciation, driving the intricate pathways of mimetic evolution. In remote environments, populations become separated. Their genetic diversity begins to unfold. Over generations, these isolated groups adapt to their specific surroundings, leading to unique traits that enable them to thrive. This divergence can result in distinct mimicry patterns, as these organisms evolve to resemble local flora and fauna. And regions where environmental pressures differ, the mimicry observed serves as a survival strategy, enhancing the ability to avoid predation. This phenomenon can often be observed in insects, where coloration and body shape align closely with that of their surroundings. As adaptations solidify, these adaptations manifest in an array of forms, each finely tuned to its ecological niche. The interplay of isolation and environmental factors fosters a rich breeding ground for innovation within these species. Genetic drift, alongside natural selection, quietly shapes the landscape of life. This gradual process yields remarkable instances of mimicry, underscoring the delicate balance of ecosystems. Through time, the evolutionary paths diverge further, creating a myriad of forms. Each new species stands as a testament to the power of isolation in shaping the intricate web of life, where mimicry serves as both a shield and a reflection of the environment itself. Ants and bees exemplify the profound effects of mimicry within social insects. This phenomenon manifests in various forms, from chemical signals to physical appearances, facilitating complex interactions and survival strategies. In this context, the ability to replicate certain traits enhances social cohesion and resource acquisition. Chemical mimicry plays a crucial role, particularly in ant colonies. Some species produce similar pheromones, allowing them to infiltrate foreign colonies undetected. This deception fosters opportunities for resource theft or even parasitism, showcasing the strategic advantages of chemical mimicry. The subtlety of these interactions reflects an evolutionary arms race, where detection and deception continuously evolve. Visual mimicry also exists among bees, particularly in species that resemble more dominant or aggressive varieties. This resemblance can deter predators by suggesting a threat, thus allowing these bees to thrive in environments where danger is prevalent. The striking colors and patterns serve not just as warning signals, but as a means of exploitation within the ecological niches they occupy. In this intricate network, social structure is enhanced by these mimicry strategies. The coexistence of diverse species within a single habitat illustrates the delicate balance maintained through such adaptations. The interplay of mimicry among ants and bees offers insight into the evolutionary principles that govern survival and cooperation in nature, highlighting the continual adaptation to changing landscapes. The delicate balance maintained by mimicry is increasingly influenced by human activity. Urban expansion and agricultural practices encroach upon the habitats of various species, disrupting the intricate relationships that have evolved over millennia. As deforestation takes hold, the natural environments where these mimetic organisms thrive are diminished, leading to a decline in their populations. Pollution further complicates this situation, as chemical runoff alters the landscapes that these species depend upon. Changes in soil composition and water quality can affect the visual and chemical cues that play pivotal roles in mimicry. Insects that rely on coloration for camouflage may find their survival compromised, unable to effectively blend into environments that are now tainted by human intervention. The introduction of invasive species can also disrupt existing mimicry systems. These newcomers often outcompete native organisms for resources, creating a shift in local ecosystems. Mimetic strategies that once provided a survival advantage may become obsolete in a rapidly changing environment. Conservation efforts aim to mitigate these impacts, focusing on habitat restoration and pollution reduction. Such initiatives are critical for maintaining the delicate tapestry of life, where mimicry serves as an essential survival strategy. The future of these species hangs in the balance, reliant on the restoration of their habitats and the preservation of the biological diversity that supports their existence. Mimicry plays a vital role in the intricate weave of ecosystems, where these species often serve as indicators of environmental health. This phenomenon emerges in various forms, such as aggressive mimicry or Bayesian mimicry, allowing organisms to exploit or evade predators. In doing so, they contribute to the stability of their habitats, influencing food webs and interspecies interactions. The subtlety of these adaptations illuminates the complex relationships within ecological communities. Conservation efforts increasingly recognize the importance of protecting not only the mimics but also the intricate networks that sustain them. The degradation of habitats poses a significant threat to these remarkable organisms, as the delicate balance that allows mimicry to thrive becomes compromised. The decline in native flora, or the introduction of invasive species, disrupts the evolutionary pressures that shape these adaptations. Research into these interactions reveals the necessity of holistic conservation strategies that encompass entire ecosystems. By safeguarding the environments where mimics flourish, these efforts enhance the resilience of biological communities. This approach fosters a greater understanding of the interconnectedness of life, allowing for the preservation of not only the mimics but the broader diversity that sustains ecological integrity. The delicate dance of life continues, revealing the profound impact of each species within the natural world. Climate variation exerts a significant influence on the dynamics of mimicry. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can alter the habitats of various species, thereby affecting their interactions and the effectiveness of their mimicry. This region experiences shifts that can lead to new selection pressures, creating opportunities for some species to adapt or evolve. To warmer climates, for instance, certain colors may become more effective in attracting mates or avoiding predators. The vibrancy of a mimic might serve as a signal of fitness, thereby fostering competition among individuals. These adjustments in coloration can occur rapidly, often within a few generations, as the organisms respond to fluctuating environmental cues. As habitats become fragmented due to climatic changes, the visibility of mimics may be altered. In some cases, this can lead to enhanced mimicry effectiveness, while in others it can diminish the survival advantage. The interplay between mimicry and climate variation is complex, reflecting the intricate web of ecological relationships. These organisms must navigate their surroundings, constantly responding to the evolving landscape. The consequences of climate variation extend far beyond individual species, impacting entire ecosystems and the intricate balance of life. Such dynamics underscore the resilience and adaptability of nature, revealing the ongoing story of survival amid a changing world. Mimetic responses to ecological stresses illustrate the intricate balance between organisms and their environments. In regions where predation pressure is heightened, certain species employ mimicry as a defensive strategy. This adaptation manifests through physical resemblance to toxic or unpalatable organisms, effectively providing a survival advantage by blending into their surroundings or adopting the appearance of harmful species. These organisms minimize their risk of being consumed. Environmental changes, such as habitat destruction or climate fluctuations, can intensify selective pressures, prompting rapid adaptations. The immediacy of these stresses often results in observable shifts within populations. Species may alter their coloration, patterns, or even behaviors, reflecting a desperate yet calculated response to survive in increasingly hostile conditions. This phenomenon is particularly evident within insect populations, where mimicry serves as a crucial tool for evasion. Some species of butterflies exhibit remarkable likeness to more dangerous counterparts. In regions experiencing increased predation, the frequency of such adaptations can surge, showcasing the relentless drive for survival. The ongoing interplay between mimicry and ecological stresses emphasizes the complexities of evolutionary processes. Each successful mimic not only contributes to its lineage, but also enriches the broader ecosystem, highlighting the interconnectedness of survival strategies across species. Adaptive mimicry thus stands as a testament to nature's capacity for innovation in the face of adversity. Health implications arise from the intricate relationship between mimicry and disease, illustrating how these adaptations can influence survival rates among various species. In environments where pathogens are prevalent, certain organisms adopt mimicry strategies that enable them to appear more appealing or less vulnerable to predators. This behavior can result in a heightened survival rate, allowing them to evade threats that would otherwise prove fatal. The phenomenon extends to the realm of pathogens themselves, with some microorganisms evolving to mimic host cells. This deception can facilitate infection, as these pathogens evade the host's immune defenses. The interplay between mimicry and disease creates a delicate balance within ecosystems, where the success of one species may inadvertently lead to the decline of another. A predator, misled by a mimic, may consume an unhealthy prey, inadvertently affecting the predator's health and reproductive success. Observing this dynamic in various ecosystems reveals a complex web of interactions. In some cases, the presence of mimicry can even drive evolutionary changes in both predators and prey. The constant pressure imposed by diseases compels species to adapt, resulting in a continual cycle of mimicry and counter-mimicry. This ongoing evolutionary arms race underscores the significance of mimicry as a pivotal factor in health implications, shaping the resilience of life amidst the challenges posed by disease. Mimicry serves as a compelling lens through which evolutionary theory can be understood. It illustrates not only the intricate relationships between species, but also the adaptive strategies that have emerged over millennia. Observations reveal that organisms employing mimicry have evolved traits that enhance their survival, often by imitating the appearance or behaviors of other species. This phenomenon highlights the dynamic interplay between predator and prey, signaling the delicate balance maintained within ecosystems. In various habitats, the presence of mimicry can redefine expectations of competition and resource allocation. For instance, certain insects possess coloration that closely resembles toxic counterparts, granting them protection from potential threats. This selective pressure fosters a cycle of adaptation, leading to increased complexity in both mimic and model. Through this lens, mimicry becomes a vital component in the broader narrative of natural selection. The study of mimicry extends beyond individual species, providing insights into population dynamics and community interactions. Evolving patterns of mimicry can serve as indicators of environmental changes, revealing how species adapt to shifting conditions. In some cases, these adaptations may even influence reproductive strategies, further embedding mimicry within the tapestry of evolutionary success. This intricate web of relationships emphasizes the profound impact of mimicry on understanding life's resilience and adaptability in the face of ever-changing ecological challenges. The significance of mimicry extends beyond the biological realm, influencing scientific education and outreach in profound ways. Educational programs often utilize examples of mimicry to illustrate complex concepts in evolution and ecology. Such instances provide tangible case studies, reinforcing theoretical knowledge through real-world applications. This practical approach fosters deeper engagement, allowing learners to grasp the nuances of natural selection and adaptation. In outreach efforts, mimicry serves as a captivating entry point for audiences of all ages. The striking visuals of mimic species evoke curiosity, prompting questions about survival strategies and ecological interdependence. Engaging narratives surrounding these examples can inspire further exploration into biodiversity and conservation, igniting a passion for the natural world. Investigations into mimicry also encourage critical thinking and scientific literacy. By analyzing the mechanisms behind these adaptations, individuals develop analytical skills essential for understanding broader scientific principles. This process elevates the importance of observation and inquiry, fundamental aspects of scientific investigation. As educational initiatives incorporate mimicry into their curricula, they bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical understanding. These connections not only highlight the intricacy of ecological relationships, but also cultivate an appreciation for the delicate balance of ecosystems. In this way, mimicry becomes not just a subject of study, but a vital tool for fostering environmental stewardship and awareness. Mimicry extends into the fungal realm, where it employs deceptive strategies for spore dispersal. In various ecosystems, certain fungi have developed remarkable adaptations that allow them to mimic the appearance, scent, or texture of other organisms. This mimicry serves a crucial purpose, attracting specific dispersers, such as insects or animals, that facilitate the distribution of spores. Examples abound, with fungi resembling rotting fruit or even flowers, luring unsuspecting creatures with their enticing facades. The deceptive allure of these fungi is not merely aesthetic, it is a calculated evolutionary strategy. Insects, drawn by familiar scents, land on these deceptive structures, unknowingly becoming vectors for spore distribution. This relationship highlights the intricate interplay between species, where one organism's survival hinges upon the manipulation of another's behavior. The success of these strategies speaks to the delicate balance of these ecosystems. The fungi's ability to imitate other forms reveals an underlying complexity in their life cycles, as they exploit existing interactions within their habitat. This reliance on mimicry not only enhances their reproductive success, but also influences the dynamics of the entire ecosystem. As spore dispersal occurs, the reach of these fungi expands, contributing to the diversity and resilience of their environments, showcasing the intricate connections that govern life's persistence in various forms. Phenotypic plasticity serves as a fundamental mechanism that enhances the survival of species through adaptive responses to environmental stimuli. This adaptability allows organisms to modify their physical characteristics in response to varying conditions, optimizing their chances of survival. In regions where predation pressure exists, certain species exhibit remarkable changes in coloration, size, or morphology, effectively blending into their surroundings. These transformations not only enable better camouflage, but also assist in mimicking the appearance of toxic or unpalatable species. Such mimicry can deter predators, as the deception creates an impression of danger or unavailability. The level of plasticity observed can vary greatly among species, influenced by genetic factors and environmental cues. In particular, insects demonstrate an extraordinary range of phenotypic diversity. For instance, some caterpillars can alter their coloration to resemble twigs or leaves, rendering them nearly invisible to potential threats. Each change is a calculated response to immediate conditions, underscoring the dynamic nature of survival strategy. This region of adaptation reveals the delicate balance present within ecosystems, where the interplay of mimicry and phenotypic plasticity fosters resilience amid challenges. Such mechanisms highlight the continuous evolutionary dialogue between organisms and their habitats, laying bare the intricate processes that sustain biodiversity. The orchid mantis exemplifies this dialogue through its remarkable ability to blend with its surroundings, residing primarily in tropical and subtropical regions. It has developed a striking resemblance to the flowers from which it derives both camouflage and sustenance. This adaptation not only aids in avoiding predation, but also enhances predation opportunities as unsuspecting pollinators approach, drawn in by the allure of vibrant petals. The physical structure of the orchid mantis displays an extraordinary mimicry, with elongated limbs and coloration that mimic the delicate features of various orchids. This evolutionary strategy is an impressive feat of natural selection, allowing them to thrive in competitive ecosystems. With each successful hunt, the mantis reinforces its genetic contributions to future generations, ensuring the persistence of these adaptive traits. Observations reveal that the mantis can alter its positioning to optimize its resemblance to blooming flowers, further showcasing its behavioral flexibility. This interaction between form and function illustrates the complexities of ecological relationships, where survival often hinges on minute details. In examining the orchid mantis, it becomes evident how vital these adaptations are in the broader context of evolutionary biology. The simultaneous reliance on and manipulation of floral structures underscores the ongoing interplay between species, offering profound insights into the nature of survival and coexistence. Phylogenetics provides a framework for understanding the evolutionary relationships that shape mimicry. This scientific approach reveals how certain traits emerge and persist as species adapt to their environments. By examining genetic lineages, it becomes evident that mimicry is not merely a product of isolated incidents, but rather a consequence of shared ancestry. Closely related species often exhibit similar adaptive traits due to their common evolutionary pressures. The study of phylogenetics highlights the adaptive landscape, where certain characteristics, like coloration or shape, can evolve in parallel among distinct lineages. This phenomenon is observable in various taxa, where mimicry serves as a defense mechanism against predation. It is not solely a visual deception. These adaptations have deep evolutionary roots, influenced by both ecological interactions and genetic predispositions. Phylogenetic analyses reveal cases where mimicry is not just a survival strategy, but also a means of reproductive success. Certain organisms may mimic the signals or appearance of others to attract mates, further embedding these traits into their genetic code. These intricate relationships illustrate how evolutionary pressures sculpt behavioral and morphological features across generations. Understanding these connections sheds light on the complexity of ecological interactions and the intricate web of life. The evolution of mimicry serves as a testament to nature's ability to innovate through shared ancestry and environmental challenges. The interdependence between species plays a crucial role in the development of mimicry. This relationship fosters adaptation, allowing species to enhance their survival chances. Through intricate partnerships, various organisms often engage in mutualistic behaviors, where both parties benefit from their interactions. In many cases, one species may evolve to imitate the appearance or behaviors of another, gaining protection or resources as a result. The phenomenon is evident in specific regions where certain insects mimic the coloration and patterns of toxic species. This visual resemblance can deter potential predators as the mimic gains safety through the recognition associated with its model. The mimicry extends beyond mere appearance. Behavioral mimicry also occurs, where actions are adopted to resemble those of more successful species. This behavioral adaptation can lead to increased access to food or safer breeding grounds. Furthermore, the intricate web of life in these environments showcases the delicate balance maintained through symbiosis. The relationships formed between organisms often create a rich backdrop for evolutionary experimentation. Each adaptation leads to unforeseen consequences, prompting further changes in both the mimicking and the model species. This dynamic interplay highlights the complexity of ecosystems, where survival hinges on an ongoing cycle of imitation, adaptation, and resilience. Understanding these relationships deepens appreciation for nature's artistry and its capacity for innovation. Habitat fragmentation disrupts the intricate relationships between organisms, impacting the dynamics of mimicry. Isolated populations experience changes in selective pressures, leading to variations in mimicry strategies. This region, once a seamless expanse of biodiversity, now bears the scars of human encroachment. As habitats become fragmented, some species may lose their ability to effectively mimic their surroundings, for instance to photonight, diminishing their survival rates. The shifting landscape influences both predators and prey. Dispersed environments can result in a mismatch between mimic and model, undermining the effectiveness of mimicry. In fragmented ecosystems, where resources are limited and competition increases, the delicate balance maintained through mimicry faces unprecedented challenges. These ruins of once thriving habitats now reveal the consequences of ecological disintegration. Species may adapt by altering their mimicry patterns, yet such adjustments are not always feasible. The loss of genetic diversity restricts the potential for innovative adaptations. In these isolated pockets, the original models may themselves be at risk, leading to cascading effects on the entire ecosystem. The implications stretch beyond individual species. They illustrate the broader impacts of habitat loss on ecological interactions. As natural selection continues to operate within these fragmented landscapes, it shapes the future of mimicry in unforeseen ways, highlighting the ongoing struggle for survival amid a changing world. Mimicry plays a crucial role in ecosystem services, influencing not only species interactions, but also the overall health of environments. Many organisms rely on mimicry to enhance their survival, thus maintaining balance within their ecosystems. This phenomenon allows prey to evade predators by imitating the appearance or behavior of other species. In turn, it affects predator populations, influencing their hunting strategies and prey selection. In this intricate web of life, mimicry also fosters relationships that benefit plant reproduction. Certain pollinators are lured to flowers that mimic the appearance or scent of other desirable species. This mutualistic interaction increases plant diversity, contributing to the stability and resilience of these ecosystems. The cascading effects are evident as diverse plant communities support various animal species, leading to a more robust environment. Degradation of habitats disrupts these delicate interactions, threatening both mimicry and the services it provides. As species adapt to changing conditions, some may lose their mimetic traits, reducing their effectiveness in evading predators or attracting pollinators. This decline can lead to diminished plant reproduction and altered food webs. Understanding mimicry's role emphasizes the importance of preserving ecological integrity, ensuring that these intricate relationships endure amidst environmental challenges. Animal behavior studies illuminate the complex dynamics of mimicry, revealing the intricate strategies employed by various species. Through observation, researchers have documented instances where certain animals adopt the appearance or behavior of others to gain advantages in their environments. This phenomenon is not merely a passive occurrence. It involves active engagement with both predators and prey. Predators, for instance, may develop specialized hunting techniques based on the deceptive cues presented by their targets. By mimicking the appearance of a less palatable species, a predator may enhance its hunting success, exploiting the innate avoidance strategies of potential prey. In this region, the consequences of such interactions ripple through the ecosystem, influencing population dynamics and species distribution. In social species, mimicry extends to communication, where individuals may imitate calls or gestures to foster alliances or deter rivals. This behavior not only aids in survival, but also contributes to the evolution of social structures within these groups. The nuances of these interactions provide invaluable insights into the adaptive significance of mimicry. Researchers employing advanced technologies, such as high-speed cameras and bioacoustic monitoring, continues to unveil the behavioral subtleties involved. Observing these interactions deepens understanding of ecological relationships, emphasizing the interconnectedness of life and the profound impact of mimicry on evolutionary pathways. Such knowledge underscores the delicate balance inherent in ecosystems shaped by these remarkable adaptations. Psychological mechanisms underlying mimicry recognition reveal the intricate processes at play within the minds of various organisms. This phenomenon often involves not only visual cues but also auditory and olfactory signals. Recognition systems are finely tuned to discern subtle differences, allowing creatures to identify both threats and opportunities in their environments. Predators, for instance, have evolved to detect specific patterns and colors that indicate either prey or warning signals, leading to an ongoing evolutionary arms race. Cognitive studies suggest that certain species possess heightened sensitivity to particular traits, enabling them to quickly adapt their behaviors in response to mimicry. This adaptability ensures survival in dynamic ecosystems where deception can mean life or death. The ability to recognize mimicry extends beyond mere survival. It also influences social interactions and mating strategies. In many cases, the capacity to differentiate between genuine and mimic entities can enhance reproductive success as individuals display preferences for authentic traits. The implications of these psychological mechanisms extend to understanding evolutionary pathways. Investigating how organisms process and respond to mimicry may inform broader ecological and evolutionary theories. Over time, the development of these cognitive abilities contributes to the richness and complexity of life, reflecting an ongoing dialogue between species, their environments, and the pressures of natural selection. The landscape continues to evolve, revealing the profound interconnectedness of all life forms. This complexity transcends mere imitation, emerging as a sophisticated survival strategy woven into the fabric of ecosystems. Various species exhibit remarkable adaptations, allowing them to blend seamlessly with their environments or adopt characteristics of other organisms. These adaptations serve multiple purposes, including predator evasion and enhanced reproductive success. In the vibrant realm of insects, for instance, certain butterflies possess wing patterns that closely resemble the eyes of larger animals, a trait that deters potential threats. In marine habitats, some fish mimic the appearance of toxic species, gaining protection from predators who have learned to avoid dangerous prey. This particular form of mimicry, known as Batesian mimicry, highlights an evolutionary arms race where perception and survival are intricately linked. Among reptiles, the chameleon exemplifies this phenomenon with its ability to shift colors, providing both camouflage and a means of communication. This capability reflects not only the flexibility of its biology, but also the underlying pressures of its environment. The complexity of mimicry extends to plant life as well, where certain species adopt shapes and colors that attract specific pollinators, ensuring their reproductive success. Such intricate relationships emphasize the delicate balance of ecosystems, where survival often hinges upon the art of imitation in countless forms. The art of imitation serves as a fundamental mechanism in the evolution of species, shaping the adaptive strategies that organisms employ in their environments. In this framework, mimicry emerges as a powerful evolutionary response to predation and competition. Species that exhibit mimicry often evolve specific traits that allow them to resemble other organisms, thereby enhancing their chances of survival. This phenomenon can be categorized into various types, such as Batesian mimicry, where a harmless species adopts the appearance of a harmful one, and Mullerian mimicry, where two unpalatable species evolve to resemble each other. The implications of these adaptations extend beyond mere survival. They indicate a sophisticated interplay between predator and prey, each influencing the evolutionary trajectory of the other. Within these interactions, natural selection plays a pivotal role, favoring those individuals that best exhibit these mimetic traits. Over generations, this selective pressure leads to an intricate tapestry of adaptations that can dramatically alter the dynamics of ecosystems. In examining the origins of species through the lens of mimicry, one uncovers a profound narrative of survival, marked by the subtle yet relentless forces of evolution. This framework illustrates not only the complexity of ecological relationships, but also the remarkable ingenuity of life itself in the face of constant challenges and changes in the environment. Art serves as a profound medium for reflecting the intricate phenomenon of mimicry in nature. By capturing the essence of these adaptations, artists elevate the understanding of survival strategies that organisms employ. Through various forms, from painting to sculpture, the delicate interplay between species and their environments is portrayed, revealing the often unseen connections that define ecosystems. Visual representations of mimicry highlight the astonishing variety of forms and colors that enable organisms to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. This phenomenon not only enhances survival, but also raises questions about perception and the observer's role in interpreting these visual cues. The role of light and shadow in artwork can mimic the natural patterns seen in the wild, echoing the subtleties of camouflage and warning coloration. Literary works delve into the narratives of these life forms, weaving stories that emphasize the evolutionary significance of mimicry. Poetry and prose can evoke the emotional resonance of these adaptations, inspiring a deeper appreciation for the complexity of life. Through these artistic expressions, the interplay between mimicry and survival becomes a central theme, fostering a dialogue between science and creativity. Exhibits in galleries and museums often showcase the intersection of art and biology, inviting viewers to engage with the marvels of nature. This exploration not only educates but also inspires a sense of awe for the elegance of evolutionary artistry. The future of mimicry encompasses a myriad of potential evolutionary pathways. It suggests that as environments shift, the selective pressures on species will evolve, influencing their adaptive strategies. This changing landscape may give rise to new forms of mimicry, where organisms become increasingly adept at imitating not just appearances, but behaviors and chemical signals as well. As climate change alters habitats, some species might develop the ability to mimic their surroundings more effectively, blending seamlessly into increasingly fragmented ecosystems. The prevalence of urban areas could drive the emergence of new mimetic strategies, where organisms adapt to artificial environments, echoing the structures and colors found within human-made landscapes. Research indicates that chemical mimicry may also expand, with certain species evolving to produce deceptive signals that mislead predators or attract mates. This would reflect a deeper level of sophistication in the mimicry strategies employed by organisms. Advancements in genetic studies may provide insights into the mechanisms behind these changes, revealing how specific genes contribute to the development of mimicry. Understanding these genetic underpinnings could help predict the trajectory of evolutionary trends in mimicry. Continuous observation and analysis of these patterns will remain crucial, underscoring the dynamic nature of evolution and the ongoing narrative of life adapting and thriving amidst constant change. Education serves as a vital conduit for comprehending the intricate mechanisms of natural mimicry. By imparting knowledge about evolutionary processes, it fosters appreciation for the complexity inherent in these adaptations. Understanding the principles of mimicry enhances awareness of ecological relationships, highlighting how organisms exploit their environments for survival. Curricula designed around these subjects often encompass biology, ecology, and even aspects of behavioral science. This interdisciplinary approach enables students to grasp the nuances of mimicry, from its origins in evolutionary theory to its manifestations in various species, engaging with real-world examples, such as the striking resemblance between certain insects and their surroundings, cultivates a deeper connection to the natural world. Field studies and hands-on experiences further enrich this educational framework. Observing mimicry in situ allows learners to witness the delicate balance of predator and prey, unveiling the adaptive strategies that shape biodiversity. Such experiences not only deepen understanding, but also inspire conservation efforts, emphasizing the importance of preserving habitats where these interactions unfold. Public perception of mimicry often diverges significantly from scientific understanding. Common myths suggest that mimicry is merely an artistic endeavor of nature, a whimsical display meant to dazzle the untrained eye. This oversimplification overlooks the intricate evolutionary mechanisms at play. Mimicry serves as a survival strategy, enabling organisms to evade predation or enhance their reproductive success. Many believe that all mimics are inherently harmful or deceitful. In reality, the relationship between mimics and their models can be complex and mutualistic. For instance, certain pollinators may inadvertently favor plants that mimic the appearance of flowers they are naturally drawn to, facilitating cross-pollination. This region of interaction showcases a balance between deception and cooperation, challenging the notion of mimicry as purely exploitative. Misunderstandings also arise regarding the specificity of mimicry. The general belief is that mimics must closely resemble their models, but in some cases, resemblance can be more abstract. The success of mimicry often depends on context, such as environmental factors and behavioral dynamics. These misconceptions can hinder appreciation for the vast diversity of life and the nuanced relationships that define ecosystems. Recognizing the true nature of mimicry fosters a more profound respect for the complexities of evolutionary processes and the delicate balance of natural systems. Understanding these principles is essential for informed conservation efforts. The intricate designs found within ecosystems reveal a remarkable narrative of adaptation and survival. These masterful creations illustrate the elegance of natural selection, where organisms evolve to fit seamlessly into their environments. The vibrant colors of a poison dart frog, or the delicate patterns of a butterfly's wings, serve not merely as aesthetic wonders, but as essential tools for survival. Each hue and motif contributes to a broader strategy of evasion, attraction, or warning. In this region, the interplay of light and shadow among foliage enhances the visual complexity of these creatures, highlighting the significance of their unique adaptations. The mimicry displayed in various species exemplifies an evolutionary dialogue, a silent communication that has persisted across millennia. These adjustments are not random. They arise from the pressures of predation, competition, and environmental change. Natural selection shapes not only physical attributes, but also behaviors and strategies essential for survival. The beauty of these adaptations often belies the harsh realities of life within various ecosystems. The subtlety of these interactions underscores the delicate balance that maintains biodiversity. This intricate web of life serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all species, revealing that every artistic masterpiece of nature's design is a testament to resilience and ingenuity in the face of constant change. Emerging research in mimicry highlights the necessity for deeper exploration of its nuances within various ecosystems. Investigating the mechanisms by which species adapt to their environments offers insights into evolutionary processes that shape biodiversity. This field holds potential for unearthing new dimensions in how organisms communicate and interact, laying the foundation for future studies. Examining the role of mimicry in climate resilience proves essential, particularly as habitats undergo rapid transformation. Understanding these adaptations may provide valuable data on how species respond to environmental stressors. Cross-disciplinary approaches are increasingly vital in this pursuit, integrating fields such as genetics, ecology, and behavioral science. Collaboration among researchers can yield comprehensive models that encapsulate the multifaceted nature of mimicry. Such models may not only clarify the evolutionary significance of these adaptations, but also contribute to applications in biomimicry and sustainable design. The call to action is evident as researchers delve into the myriad forms of mimicry. The knowledge gained will serve as a cornerstone for understanding ecological dynamics, fostering resilience in a world marked by change. This endeavor promises to enrich our comprehension of life's intricate tapestry, illuminating pathways for both conservation and innovation.